Welcome to Omega X. In this video, we will explore how to protect your pancreas, a vital organ responsible for digestion and blood sugar regulation. Did you know that the pancreas produces about 1.5 liters of digestive enzymes daily to break down food? Yet, poor lifestyle choices can lead to serious conditions like pancreatitis and diabetes. Consuming excessive sugar forces the pancreas to overwork, increasing the risk of insulin resistance. Refined carbohydrates, sugary drinks, and high-fat processed foods create an unhealthy environment for this organ. But the good news is, you can take steps to keep it healthy. A diet rich in fiber from foods like beans, lentils, and leafy greens helps stabilize blood sugar levels and supports digestion. Hydration is also key, as the pancreas needs water to function efficiently. Herbal teas with turmeric, ginger, or green tea have anti-inflammatory benefits, helping to reduce pancreatic stress. Alcohol is a major enemy of the pancreas, as it increases inflammation and can lead to pancreatitis. Cutting down on alcohol consumption is one of the best ways to protect your pancreas. Antioxidants found in blueberries, spinach, and nuts fight oxidative stress and protect pancreatic cells. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin function. Probiotics from yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables also contribute to gut health, which is closely linked to pancreatic efficiency. Regular exercise is another major factor in maintaining pancreatic health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of moderate physical activity per day significantly lowers the risk of pancreatic diseases. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps prevent fat accumulation around the pancreas, which can cause inflammation. Smoking is another major risk factor for pancreatic damage. Research shows that smokers are twice as likely to develop pancreatic cancer compared to non-smokers. The chemicals in tobacco contribute to chronic inflammation and cell damage. Quitting smoking is one of the best decisions for your pancreatic health. Recognizing early warning signs of pancreatic issues can also save lives. Persistent abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, digestive issues, and changes in stool color could indicate pancreatic dysfunction. Seeking medical advice early can prevent serious complications. Taking simple but powerful steps, like maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, drinking enough water, reducing alcohol intake, and quitting smoking, can go a long way in keeping your pancreas strong and functional. Thanks for watching Omega X. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of your body.